just a few months, Twitter will turn 6 years old. In 2006, tweeting was something only birds did. Now it is our #1 way to insult celebrities. Celebrities with Twitter accounts, and I know this because I have one, get bombarded with sometimes hundreds of insults a day. So over the last few months, we've been asking some of our celebrity guests to sit down and read the mean things people tweet about them. This is the 3rd time we've done this, and we call it Celebrities Read Mean Tweets.
Selena Gomez is on the radio right now. Is there a volume lower than mute? Sorry.
I saw Larry King at dinner, but it might have been just a run-of-the-mill goblin.
Dr. Phil, why don't you shut the up, you bald-headed, big-mouth hillbilly?
Simon Cowell, you, my friend, are a Actually, that's one of the nicest things anybody's ever said about me, and I've got a bit of a lump in my throat now. Thank you, because I really am a
My Asian orthodontist says Jessica Biel has horse teeth.
Wow, David Arquette got old. That's right. I did get old. It happens.
At Curcielli is a dirty whore. There, I said it. Thank you.
Adam Scott. Tom Arnold, you're an inspiration to all fat dumps who love cocaine and who love to fat, disgusting chicks. My hairy penis thanks you. You're welcome.
No one else finds Hayden Panettiere intolerable. Is that a question?
I'm not being mean, but why does Anderson Cooper remind me of dinosaurs? You.
Eric Stonestreet, why so awkward and yelly? I'm not awkward and yelly.
Christina Applegate, you were better when you wore spandex instead of Spanx, you old slut.
You guys are like Lennon and McCartney, only fatter and gayer.
I thought this was supposed to be mean tweets.
Malcolm in the middle, more like mushy in the middle. Lose some weight, Heisenberg. I've had a good chuckle over that one. I'm coming after you, TX Grizz.
I'm not saying Jessica's a whore, but if she were a video game, she'd be rated E for everyone.
Guys, Eric isn't gay. He just prefers the company of men. In his mouth.
Hey Tiffany, which corner store, nail salon, or dry cleaner do your parents own?
Alan's voice is so annoying, it makes me wish I was deaf.
Hey Devin, nice tits.
Holly has a face that only diabetes could love.
Is it racist if I don't like black people because of how much I hate Sierra?
You're a huge loser.
Ethan, are your parents brother and sister because your face looks retarded?
No one likes you. Do everyone a favor. Just kill yourself.